Just think, are you privileged? Because I am. I have clean water running through my tap when two-thirds of the world population is under severe water stress condition. And making the situation more challenging, our industries, they need continuous supply of clean water for the production. And as a byproduct, they generate a huge amount of wastewater load that needs to be treated before going to the environment. Because that wastewater contains very high salt and contaminants like oil, surfactants, for example, oil gas industry wastewater or textile industrial wastewater. So can we not reclaim that water to meet the industry's water demand? Yes, we can. We have technology like membrane-based distillation. But let me tell you a story. Water, salt, oil, and surfactants, they were swimming in the hot industrial wastewater pool when they came across a commercially available membrane that would only allow the water vapor to pass through but not the liquid water or the salt. Then the oil, they came close to the membrane surface, they attached on the membrane, clogged the membrane pore, and fouled it in such a way that the water vapor can no longer pass through. Then the surfactant group, they attach on the membrane surface and make it wet. Now, surprisingly, the liquid water containing the salt and different contaminants can pass through. But no, that's not a good news for us because now both quantity and quality get compromised. And that membrane, which is fouled and wetted, you can see on the left image, it needs to be replaced, so the cost will go up. So here comes my PhD work, to engineer the membrane in such a way to prevent both fouling and wetting from happening. And you can see in the center image where my membrane is separating the hot industrial wastewater side from the cold clean water side. And at high temperature in the hot side, the water will start to evaporate. So the water vapor, the blue ones, they're very happy. They can pass through the membrane pores and come to the other side and get condensed, and we have clean water. But then rejecting the salt, the red phase, the yellow oil, or the surfactant crowning the oil, all three of them are very sad, but I am happy. So how I'm doing it? I'm using chemical modification to have completely opposite characteristic of my membrane, the top layer being a water-loving layer that will repel the oil, and the bottom layer that will be all types of liquid repelling that will prevent the wetting. So in the right image, you can see my membrane is no longer wetted or fouled. And we have achieved over 99.5% of salt or contaminant rejection, so we can ensure high quality and quantity of water from that industrial water, and every drop counts because clean water is basic human right. Thank you, everyone.